I'm gonna try the pure soya milk. So let's do it. Wow, tastes good. It's sweet and it's very delicious. It's very refreshing. It's very good for the morning breakfast, and it's very good for, you know, to start your day. So this is the Taho. So we have like something. Yeah. Okay, so we try it. Very good. I want to try it too. Cheers. Sometimes sellers doesn't really taste what they sell, so I'd like you to taste it, and you know, gusto ko po tikman nyo yung food na binibenta nyo. And cheers. Yum. Good.
Sarap. Very good.
Very good. So
Delicious.
delicious. So this is what we call taho in the Philippines. So if you are here in the Philippines, it's a very common here. It's very delicious. It's a good source of protein. It's good for your muscles, good for your body. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.